In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your crypto from OKX Wallet to the OKX exchange so you can trade it on the spot or derivatives markets. First, we need your exchange deposit address. Open the OKX app, switch to the exchange side if needed, log in, then tap Assets to deposit. Choose the coin you want to receive, like USDT or ETH, and select the network you'll use. OKX will show you a deposit address and sometimes a memo/tag for coins like XRP or XLM. Tap Copy to save it. Now switch to the OKX Wallet/Web3 Wallet inside the same app. Open your wallet, select the same coin, then tap Send or Transfer. Paste the exchange deposit address, choose the same network you picked on the exchange, and enter the amount you want to move. Double-check the address, network, and fees, then confirm and complete any security steps. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will show up in your OKX exchange account under Assets/Funding or Spot. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.